back to WTOL 11 Your Day. We're creeping ever closer to that day. Tax day is a little more than 3 weeks from today. And Gina Council joins us from Premier Tax in Sylvania, and there are plenty of ways to take the pressure off of April 15th, or in this case, April 18th. So Gina, you're going to talk us through this a little bit, right?
Yes, I'll be happy to.
Wonderful. We appreciate you joining us today, and we're going to dive right in. Even though taxpayers have until April 18th this year, there's a way to extend that date, and you know how to do that, right?
That's correct, Haley. Thank you for asking. There are several taxpayers that don't feel ready to file their taxes yet, and then they should file an extension, by April 18th. They can do it themselves, and if they don't know how, they can obviously come to me.
Okay, and then last year or so has been rough on small businesses. And so what can business owners do to make sure they're in IRS compliance?
Well, that's a great question. So there are some new business owners that don't know exactly when the deadlines, and they have missed the big deadline for an LLC partnership. And S-Corps, the deadline was March 15. They have missed that deadline, and that could be, it's critical because the penalties could be really high. It could, let's focus on an LLC partnership. It could be $210 per month per shareholder, so you have to multiply that. So let's say that you have an LLC partnership with 2 shareholders. Well, then that could amount to up to over $5,000 in 1 year easily.
So we're talking, there's some fees involved, there's some more money involved with the small business owners. So when should a tax filer really ask for help?
This is the right time to do it. If you, especially for new business owners, you missed the March 15 deadline, you need to act quickly. You need to just contact me, just call me, and I can walk you through it. I mean, the sooner the better. This is the right time to do it. I face these taxpayers that are procrastinators. They wait till the last minute and they say to me, but I didn't have any income, that's why I didn't do anything. Well, it doesn't matter because the IRS doesn't know that. And you're going to continue to accumulate penalties, late fees. And so you need to act now. Just contact me, call me, and together we can get to the bottom of it. And I'll be happy to help you out.
All right, and I'm a failure when it comes to procrastination. So you're telling me, among all the other viewers who have maybe waited a little too long to act now. So how can people find you?
Well, it's very easy. I always give my cell phone number. That's the best way to contact me. You can just call the number that you see on the screen, 419-902-6954. This is a busy season though right now, so I've been bombarded by phone calls. So if you want to just send me a text message and tell me who you are and what you need, you can reach out to me that way, and then we can set up an appointment.
Perfect. So Gina, you are available via text or phone call to set up a meeting so that those few people like myself who waited a little too long can get their stuff together and get their taxes filed. Well, thank you so much for joining us this morning.
Thank you, Haley. Thank you for the opportunity.
And WTOL 11 Your Day will be right back.